Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how we can resolve this issue where the new button is missing from the opportunity tab in Salesforce. So in this video tutorial, we will discuss how we can resolve this issue for both Salesforce Lightning as well as Salesforce Classic Edition, where first we will discuss about the Salesforce Lightning Edition. Now before we jump to the main topic, I would like to tell you that we bring such tutorials on regular basis. So if you really want to become a Salesforce expert, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can press the bell icon to get regular updates from it. Now let's jump to the very first topic and let us discuss how we can basically resolve this issue where the new button is missing from the opportunity tab in Salesforce. Let us first look at the issue. What is the main issue that we are facing? So here I have logged in into my Salesforce Lightning Edition account. Now let us open the opportunity object. So for this I will click on the app launcher icon. Then from here I will search for opportunities and I will click on this opportunities option. Now usually what happens whenever we open the list view for any of the object, the new button appears right above this list of options here, somewhat here. So for example, if I open leads object, you can see new button is appearing. In the same manner, if I open the accounts object, here you can see the new button. But for opportunities, you can see none of the option is appearing. So how we can resolve this issue in Salesforce? So for this, what we need to do, first we need to move to the home setup page. So I will click on the gear icon and again I will click on the setup option. From the home setup page, we need to click on this object manager option. Once we click on the object manager option, it will open a list containing different objects. So from the list, we need to select the opportunity object. So I will scroll down to opportunity object. So here is the opportunity object. I will click on it to open. Now whenever we click on this option, you can see by default it opens the details page for the opportunity object. Now from this left side menu, we need to scroll down and we need to open the list view button layout option. Once we click on this, you can see on the right side it will open a page for list view button layout, and there is one item in the list, that is list view. So what we need to do, we need to click on the drop icon which is given here and we need to click on edit so that we can edit this list view layout. Now this list view layout consists some of the standard buttons. For example, you can see open in a cube, new from document, import, printable view, etc. In the same manner you can see new button is also there, but it is not enabled. So this is one of the key reasons why the new button is not appearing in the opportunity tab. So what we need to do, we need to tick mark this option and we need to click on save. Once we have done this, we have successfully enabled the new button for the opportunity object in Salesforce Lightning. So now what we can do, we can use the app launcher again, and again from here I will move to the opportunity tab. So here is the opportunities object. Once I click on opportunities, it will open the opportunities tab, and this we can see the new button appearing in the list view. So in this way we can resolve this issue in Salesforce Lightning. Let us look how we can do the same steps in the Salesforce Classic as well. So for this I need to first change my experience from Salesforce Lightning to Classic. So I will click on the view profile option, or you can say the avatar which is given on the very top right corner. From here I will move to the options section, and here is the option that is switch to Salesforce Classic. So I will click on this. Once I open this, it will open a home page. So I need to open the setup page for this. So here you can see in the top navigation bar there is an option called setup. So I will click on this. Now from here I will use the quick find search box to search for opportunities. So I will simply search for opportunities, and here you can see opportunities tab is coming under customize, and within the opportunities option there are multiple list items. So from here I need to move to the search layouts. So I will click on the search layouts option. Once I click on the search layouts option, it will open this page that is opportunity search layout, which consists of list containing different layouts. So from the list you can see this option that is opportunity list view. So we need to click on the edit button which is given next to it. So this will open the opportunity list view page. Now just like we have done this thing in the Salesforce Lightning experience, there are certain standard buttons, and because we have already enabled it using the Lightning experience interface, it is showing enabled at this moment, but if it is not enabled, you have to enable this and you need to click on the save button. Now whenever you open the opportunities object records, for example, if I click on all tabs plus icon and from here I will open opportunities, you can see new button is coming up. So with this, I hope you all understand how we can resolve this issue where the new button is missing from the opportunity tab in Salesforce. And with this, we have also come to the end of this tutorial session. Now if you really like this video, you can press the like button, or you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials on Salesforce Lightning and Classic. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.